Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today I have something bright, bold, and super fun to talk about. The Smashbox Hot STX Blush Stick in 02 Hi-Fi Heat. It's a creamy, buildable blush designed to give you that vivid coral pop on your cheeks. Perfect for anyone who loves a fresh, radiant flush without the fuss of powder formulas. The Hot STX Blush Stick comes in a convenient stick format, making application straightforward and portable. It boasts a creamy texture that blends seamlessly into the skin, letting you build the intensity from a subtle glow to a full-on statement blush. The shade I'm testing, Hi-Fi Heat, is a vivid coral that's ideal for warmer skin tones or for anyone looking to add a lively, sun-kissed touch to their makeup. Smashbox's formula promises a smooth, hydrating finish that's comfortable to wear all day. And because it's a stick, it's mess-free and travel-friendly. Using it in my routine was actually really enjoyable. The texture is creamy without being greasy, and it glides onto the skin effortlessly. I've tried both finger and brush application, and it blends beautifully with either method, giving a natural-looking flush that doesn't streak or patch. One thing I loved is how quickly it layers. You can start soft and sheer, then intensify without it looking cakey. I tested it under a full-face foundation setup, and it didn't pill or disturb other products, which is always a concern with cream blushes. On the downside, because it's creamy, it may not be the best option for extremely oily skin types unless set with a light translucent powder. I'd say the pros are definitely the creamy, blendable formula, vibrant pigmentation, and portability. It's also hydrating, which keeps the cheeks looking fresh rather than flat. On the flip side, it's limited in shade selection if you're looking for cooler tones, and as mentioned, those with very oily skin might need a little extra powder to lock it in. In terms of value, Smashbox products are generally on the pricier side, but for the quality, ease of use, and highly pigmented color, I think it's justified. When compared to other cream blush sticks on the market, like NARS The Multiple or Milk Makeup Lip Cheek Sticks, the Hot STX holds its own with a softer, more blendable formula and a more vivid color payoff straight from the stick. The stick itself feels solid and well constructed. No flimsy plastic, no wobble, just a sturdy twist-up format that makes application neat and controlled. Longevity is decent. I noticed it lasted a good 6 to 7 hours on my cheeks without major fading, and it's easy to refresh if needed. If you're looking for a slightly more budget-friendly alternative, there are options like Maybelline Cheek Heat or ELF Cream Blush Sticks, which are lighter in pigment but still offer a nice creamy texture. However, for that high-impact vivid coral, Smashbox really delivers a standout formula. So would I recommend it? Absolutely. For anyone who loves bold, buildable color and a creamy, blendable texture, this blush stick is a joy to use. It's ideal for those who want quick application without sacrificing pigmentation or finish. If this review has been helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've tried the Smashbox Hot STX Blush Stick, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear how you use it. And remember, the link to grab it can be found in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.